Hungry. I want some chicken.
Alright, what is up and gay on that, everybody? We got ourselves an entire chicken right now. We're going to go ahead and take out all the kidneys, hearts, necks, all that nonsense. We're going to go ahead and cut out the spine of this guy because we're going to go ahead and spatchcock this chicken to try and get as much surface area as possible, make it nice and flat. So I'm just cutting on either side of the spine, and I'm just going to rip that sucker right out of there. Go ahead and discard what we're not going to cook with, save it for chicken stock. We're going to go ahead and make a couple of slits, and we're going to try and get this chicken as flat as possible. Should look something just like this. Cut off whatever extra fat. All right, we're going to go ahead and take some seasonings and some extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and add it to a bowl. We're going to make a quick light marinade. Going to add some honey. I'm going to link all the spices and measurements down below. Got some lemon zest here, as well as the juice of said lemons. Gonna grate some fresh garlic. There's 5 cloves right here. Then we, as far as spices, we have black pepper, paprika, Old Bay, cayenne seasoning, and some caldo de tomate. That's this right here, a tablespoon of each. Again, I'll link down the measurements below so you guys can read. Gonna add this to our oil and lemon with a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. And whisk that up. Nice little loose marinade for our chicken. And pour that on. Rub it in real good. Alright, so we got our cast iron pan right here. Fits perfectly. Gonna put our remaining liquid there. Got a Michelob Ultra beer. I just happen to have it in the fridge. Take a swig and add some to our beautiful chicken. Gonna take some aluminum foil and wrap up our wing tips just so they don't burn. They're probably gonna fall off in the oven anyway, but you know. So we're going to throw it in a 350 degree oven for 1 hour. And it's going to look just like this. You want to make sure that the temperature is 165 internally. And we're going to let it rest for a little bit. While we're letting it rest, we're going to go ahead and put the remaining juices from our cast iron pan on the stove and go ahead and reduce them down. Going to add a little bit of honey to the juices. We're going to make a nice little glaze for our chicken. So incorporate that. Keep reducing all that liquid down. Add a knob of butter. It's about 1/4 of a stick, maybe 1/3 of a stick. Beautiful. This is going to add a nice shininess to our glaze. Make sure it's all incorporated, and we're going to thicken it up with a little bit of cornstarch mixture. This is just cornstarch and water. It's going to thicken up our sauce. Make sure it coats the back of a spoon nicely. Give it a taste. Squeeze some lime over this beautiful chicken after it's been resting. Nice. Go ahead and carve it up. And you got yourself a beautiful lazy Sunday roasted chicken. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Got new videos every single Sunday. See you guys next time.